1/2-acre residential lot with great views of the ocean and the environs of Drax Hall in the upscale, gated Vista Del Mar. Drax Hall, St. Anne, surrounded by exquisitely designed and extravagantly constructed houses and plenty of lush greenery within a safe environment. This property is ideal for home or investment. Drax Hall has everything at your fingertips with beaches, medical care, nightlife, and all other major amenities. While Ocho Rios and St. Anne's Bay are both just minutes away, this property is just over an hour from the airport in Montego Bay in Kingston, making it an ideal location to connect both major cities. Call, email, or WhatsApp agent for directions, pin location, or to make an offer.